What do you see, Ellie? Come on down.
What's this?
What did he leave on the stairs?
Egg? There's something in the safe.
Who left that there?
Easter. It is pink. There's another orange.
Come on down. You have to find all the eggs and put them in your basket.
I found green.
Wow.
And I found my purple
What's this, Ellie?
balloons.
This is Ellie's pile, I think.
I think that's Ellie's pile.
What did he leave you?
After the book.
Whoa. And what's this here?
Stick in the crocodile. What's that?
It looks like
Do you like it?
Rubberland.
Peter!
Peter Pan book. Wow.
What do you have, Emily?
What did he leave for Ellie?
What did he leave for Emily?
Captain Hook.
Let me see.
Cool.
And this is it.
He gave
Oh,
Emily Jake? Wow.
She can have Lammy.
Well, and Jake is hers too. She might let you borrow it though.
How Lammy first.
Can you ask Emily if you can borrow Jake?
Okay.
Ask her.
Then Myra have Jake first. She can have teddy bear.
Okay, that's a good trade.
Good. Good.
And this one's for you, Dada.
Oh, thank you. This is my favorite one.
Do you like that?
Jake and Captain Hook. Goodness me.
Look who I found.
Who's in